For students who are joining us in September 2021, the best time to apply is right now. By applying sooner, you get more access to better scholarship opportunities and are more likely to ensure that you'll have a place within our resident system. But as long as you apply by the 1st of March 2021, we guarantee that you'll be considered for all scholarships that we offer, and we guarantee that you'll have a place in our residences as well. When you apply for admission to Mount Allison, we're going to ask for unofficial transcripts and official transcripts. At the time of your application, we simply need unofficial transcripts so that we can assess you for admission. Now, in some cases, we will require verification or we will require an official transcript, and we'll ask for that if that's the case. Otherwise, we don't require official transcripts until you decide to come to Mount Allison, and then we'll ask you to make sure that your high school, college, or university sends us your transcripts directly, so it needs to come from them straight to us. You can upload all of your own unofficial transcripts directly to the supplemental items screen of your application account. International students are definitely eligible for scholarships at Mount Allison University. It's one of the really great competitive advantages that we have for recruiting international students to our campus. The diversity and breadth of students and all of their experiences that they bring with them is what makes Mount Allison great. So we are very quick to reward our talented international applicants with some really great scholarships that go all the way up to $56,000 over 4 years. So for students who don't meet our English proficiency requirement, we have a few different steps for you. First off, you can simply upload a valid IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo English test, PTE academic, any of our accepted tests to your supplemental item screen. However, if you do not meet the requirements, we also have a couple of options here on campus for you. Our English Academic Bridging Program is available for students who wish to begin in September and then take a modified course load where they take some identified academic courses in which we know that you'll be able to succeed, and then also some English language and academic support courses to ensure that you're ready for the courses that come in the following years. We also have something new this year called the Summer Pathway Program, which allows students to enter in either June, July, or August, depending on your level of English proficiency, so that you can get your English up to the level it needs to be by September to begin classes with our regular stream in September. Mount Allison offers a very, very, very limited number of places in Masters in Science programs. If you are interested in information about that, you'll want to head to mta.ca/grad studies. But otherwise, rest assured that our undergraduate programs are the best preparation that you can get for entry into master's, PhD, and professional programs at other universities in Canada and around the world. In 2020, for the first time ever, Mount Allison created a full suite of online courses that allowed students who could not join us on campus or did not wish to yet join us on campus to be part of our entering class of 2020 and to continue full-time studies from wherever they were in the world with a good internet connection. We're pleased to let you know that in 2021, we will again be offering that option. We hope that you're able to join us here on our campus in Sackville, but if you're not, rest assured that you will be able to begin from wherever you are in the world as long as you have that reliable internet connection. Each year, students apply to Mount Allison with the help of agents and also without the assistance of agents. It is not necessary to use an agent to apply to Mount Allison. You can apply directly at mta.ca/apply. However, in many cases, our students find that the use of an agent makes the process of applying to the university, applying for their study permit, and getting sort of all of your ducks in a row before you come to campus to be really helpful. So whatever you choose to do, just make sure that your agent is well versed in what we do here at Mount Allison and understands the importance of the study permit application process and how to work with Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada to ensure that you get your study permit so that you can join the Mount Allison community. Here at Mount Allison, we're very pleased to be here to support you every step of the way, from the moment you begin your application until the moment you cross the stage and receive your diploma when you graduate. Here in the admissions process, our entire admissions team is at your service. admissions@mta.ca is your one-stop email address to ensure that you get all of your questions answered. That's admissions@mta.ca.